Companies adopt new technologies every day, but very few achieve real results. Why does this keep happening? The biggest reason is that technology doesn't understand how company uniquely operates. Data is scattered and disconnected, and every company has different workflows. In this kind of environment, even the best technology struggles to improve speed and accuracy on the ground. NEXTLab is a practical AI company that solves real problems in the field. Tasks people have handled manually, judgments based only on experience, and tiny risks that are easy to overlook. NEXTLab's agentic AI changes all of this. This screen shows a user asking Ayla to generate a performance analysis for field engineers and a customer satisfaction report. Ayla extracts key metrics, analyzes and organizes them, and delivers meaningful insights to the user. Next is a case from the IPTV Media Service Operations team, where Ayla is used to resolve incidents when service issues occur. Ayla is integrated directly into the messenger the team already uses, quickly searching historical incidents and bug records to help engineers resolve problems faster. When a QA engineer writes a test scenario, the AI analyzes the intent and automatically generates and executes the necessary test blocks. Once the test is complete, the AI collects the key data and turns it into a clear report for the engineer. NEXTLab's NetMeter solution is composed of a portable device that measures network quality, NetHub, a UI that controls the device and displays results, NetCentral, a system that manages all data collected through NetMeter. First, NetCentral consolidates the information engineers need to know, including troubleshooting methods and operational knowledge. Through NetHub AI, engineers can ask for guidance in real time during fieldwork and receive immediate answers. Experience and know-how accumulated in the field becomes standardized through AI, turning into data that anyone can use instantly. Visual OPS analyzes production floor video data to make process design and workflow improvement faster and easier. The AI automatically recognizes each step in the workflow, significantly reducing analysis time and incorporating real feedback from the field. This enables companies to make more precise decisions, from standard time calculation to workforce efficiency analysis, ultimately driving higher productivity and reducing operational costs. Beyond X-ray is a vision AI inspection solution that overcomes the limitations of traditional X-ray equipment. It detects foreign materials and defects that are easy for human inspectors to miss, and alerts the operator instantly, enabling flexible response across various production environments. This allows customers to anticipate risks in advance and prevent larger financial losses before they occur. The future we aim to create is simple. A world where AI understands the work and knowledge of every field and becomes a natural part of how companies operate.